Hello, everyone. My name is Logan Kurtin. I'm an Evolved 365 learning strategist at Planet Technologies. Welcome to Tips and Tricks. Today, I'd like to talk to you about Standout Presenter Mode in Microsoft Teams. It's a new item in the Share Content menu, or the Share tray, and it really lends itself to having those engaging and productive online meetings. The Standout Presenter Mode allows you to overlay your video on top of the shared content, so it's designed to simulate a live presentation experience. Let's jump in. So from within our Microsoft Teams meeting, if you are the one presenting, you want to make sure your camera is on, your microphone is on if you will be speaking. And then we're going to visit the Share tray or the Share Content menu up in the right-hand corner of Teams. When you expand that under Share Content, you'll see different presenter modes. You have Content Only, you have Standout, which is what we're showing today, and then you have Side-by-Side and Reporter. These two features, Side-by-Side and Reporter, will be available if you have the developer tools enabled on your Microsoft Teams. But for now, let's stick with Standout. And what I'm going to be sharing is a PowerPoint window called the Solar System. Okay, so this is actually what I look like in the Standout Presenter mode. You can see that my video is overlaid on top of the content, so it really does simulate that live meeting experience. With me in front of the presentation. I can communicate all of my nonverbals to you, and I can also do cool things like maybe point to my presentation. I have complete control of my presentation. I can be in presenter mode. I can still access Teams in the chat. And so this is just a really great way to put yourself in front of that presentation. Now, keep in mind, users on the web app of Teams and users on a mobile device will still see the video side by side to the presentation. However, you do have different options while in the Standout Presenter mode. You can share your desktop if you want to work in more than one window at once, or perhaps work on the same document or multiple documents at one time. And a way we can put ourselves in presenter mode once we're already sharing is this little toolbar up top. And this will come up when you bump your mouse to the top of the screen. And the second icon here will be the standout. So I'm going to hit that and you'll see me in standout mode, in presenter mode. And I am sharing my entire desktop. So from here, we can work in multiple applications, multiple windows. We can co-author a document together here, or perhaps work in multiple windows at once. Thanks so much for watching this episode of Tips and Tricks. My name is Logan Kurtin. I'm an Evolved 365 learning strategist with Planet Technologies. And remember, meeting participants tend to be more focused and have a better experience when they see the presenters along with the presentation and content. An interactive presenter helps guide an audience along with visual cues and nonverbals. Thanks.